In today's edition of Macro Monday, we're going to be playing with matches. What I'd like to be able to get is shots of the head as it combusts. So we light it and catch that moment. In order to do this, I'm using the reverse lens as usual, fitted to my Z7. Stand the match up in a little block of wood. I'm going to use a piece of glass that was the top of a set of scales to protect the lens from any sparks that might hit it, and the block of wood allows me to position the match in a perfect area for focus. A table mat, which will make a nice black background. As you can see, it takes quite a lot of fiddling around to keep things set up just right. Started using quite high shutter speeds, but I've slowed them down quite a lot. Started up at a 2/50th of a second and slowly worked down, ended up around a 40th of a second, and that seemed to give a much nicer effect on the head of the match. Decided to have a go at setting two matches off at the same time. A little bit tricky to get them going together, but quite a nice effect in the end. It's a fairly gloomy day in West Cumbria today, not like the sunshine that we've been enjoying recently. It's nice to have an indoor project to play with. I'm really happy with the results of today's shoot, particularly these last couple. I hope you like them too, and I hope you enjoy these videos and have a go yourself. Cheers!